Alright, this is part 2 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit. So let's continue on step 4. Looks like we're going to be building these universal shafts. And they're going to be these things right here. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a rubbery plastic. It's really cool. And we're going to start right here. Let's find these set screws, and this is going to be a 1.5 millimeter, I believe. Yep. And then BA10 is going to be one of these. Pretty small, easy to miss. And where there's a hole for the set screw is the side that we're going to line up with the flat part of this dog bone. And we're just going to tighten this as much as we can onto there, like that, and it's pretty in there. It's not coming back out. And we need to make 4 of these. Okay, so there we go. We got all 4 of these. And while I'm here, I'm just going to try to clean up any burrs that I felt like on these pieces. Make sure nothing is sticking out like this right here. And now it says we need to have a 2 millimeter hex wrench. And we need to find this piece, C8. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Just insert this here. Okay, there we go. So we're going to use this to, it looks symmetrical, so let's see how to do this. Okay, so there you go. And then now we're going to tilt this down and then add the other half on here. So should be that. And then we yank that out and you have a universal. I think I did that right. Let's try again. Okay. So we have 4 of these now. And let's go ahead and move on to the next page and see what we need to do with them. So now we're going to put 2 of them in the front uprights. So let's grab these, C14. I think we only need 2 for now. So we need these 2 bushings. All right. Okay, and then we're going to push one of these through like that. And then on the other side, we're going to use one of these snap pins and hold on to the axle on the opposite side, like that. Okay, and then we also need to put on a ball stud. Looks like it's going to be this hole right here. And these are going to be put on with a box wrench. You can use this right here. So I'm doing this side first. So this one will be right here. All right. There we go. Now let's go ahead and do the other side. And let's grab that pin. And then for this one, I believe the ball stud's going to be on this side. Okay. And I did not forget. I just don't like handling things when it's greasy. So we will go back and grease this up. And there we go. And now we're done with step 5. And I think I'm going to call this video right here. This was part 2 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit. And we'll continue with part 3 next time with steps 6 and 7. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.